Hey, what's that?
This is
Me
the
and my
day.
sister in the Blue
Yeah, and this is the day
Mountains.
that God has made. So let us rejoice and be glad in it.
We just ate at the Blue Patio.
We're just walking. We're not sure where to.
It's the good life when you just take life as it is and just walk it out.
That's it. You stay,
Touch the water, taste the water. I think she was doing push-ups in the water.
you stay stuck wherever you want to stay stuck. I'm not going to stay stuck nowhere
Right.
while this lovely scenery is dashing out in God's
Yes.
world. You need to come out and see this
Yes.
and know what we really stand for. Oh, I have no lipstick.
It's okay. Natural beauty with the natural wonders. and the crazy taxi drivers. It's all good. But look behind. Can you see all